We're at the penultimate stage of the competition, and it's been a great ride until this point. It's all started with a 1-hour quick fire case. Then we moved on to the campus championship and finally the national championships. We've enjoyed our way through it, and overall it's been a great experience. And we want to put in a special thanks to KPMG. They've treated us really well right throughout the tournament, and they've actually nurtured us through the last 2.5 months, and that can be seen in the difference in our performance. We've come on leaps and bounds, and thank you so much.
So I am a little bit at a loss of words, but I'll try. So we came here representing Calcutta. Now Calcutta represents India, and we represent KPMG India. It's a big moment for all of us. And I'd like to say I'm very proud to be part of this team, as well as to be very proud of Calcutta. Each of my teammates is really awesome in their own right. And we share very good synergy amongst us. So all 4 of us don't really sum up to 4. We can do much more than what individually all of us can do together. And apart from that, as Vinayak said, a big thanks to KPMG. For giving us not only this opportunity but also nurturing us at each step. They have been very involved with everything. They have not lost sight of us, and a part of our success, in fact a big part of our success, is what goes to what guidance we've got from the KPMG officials themselves. So thank you KPMG.
So probably just adding to what these guys had to say, the cases have been fantastic. Our analysis has improved leaps and bounds, and we've had a lot to learn over the last few days. But the most important takeaway for me from KICC has been, how do you strategize something and how do you approach a business problem? The actual feel of how a business problem is to be dealt. The feedback that we've got from the partners has been phenomenal, and the way that KPMG has treated us all through the whole process has been phenomenal. It has been a wonderful day because we won so many prizes, and we hope to recreate this gold magic in Madrid again.
It was an absolute pleasure and a complete thrill to be able to compete against the best and brightest that India, have to offer. We were pitted today against some of the best business schools in the entire country. With every step of this competition, it seems that the responsibility that's fallen on us has increased more and more. First round it was just us 4. Next round it was us 4 and a few more friends. Then it was us representing Malabai and Kolkata. Now we're representing 1 million people on the international stage over in Madrid. I think we're going to do our absolute best, and I think we're going to bring home the trophy. We'll see you in Madrid.
See you in Madrid.